Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Safia, please make me the host. Yes, Safia. Yes, thank you. Okay, all of you have joined. Okay, what was the homework? Switch on your camera, everyone.
Ma'am, 3.7 exercise.
Yes, 3.7 exercise. So all of you are doing the homework.
3.7, ma'am.
Yes, 3.
I cannot show you because that time which I sent you the photo now, that was actually I did in rough book last time only.
I got the homework. I think you have sent it on Google Classroom.
No, ma'am, the book in which I have sent, no, that is my rough book.
Okay.
I did that before you gave the homework.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I submitted. Did you see?
Now who all have submitted, okay? So what is the problem? Why your people are not submitting the homework?
Ma'am, which exercise, ma'am?
Ma'am, I have sent
0.7. See, only Anas and Yahya has submitted from right group. That means who is left? Muhammad Muhammadi, Abdullah Patel, and Muhammad Saqib. Have they joined? 5 questions were there. At least you could have done 2 questions also and submitted. You forgot to do that? See, because you have extra maths classes, you need to complete the homework. I'm not giving many questions in homework, okay? Right? I didn't give you the, in normal right class, I didn't give homework.
ma'am, the question were easy.
Simple.
Ma'am, the last one is I did not understand and you did not explain it also.
I will do it here in the class because everyone has problem in the last question, okay? Muhammad Muhammadi, Abdullah and Muhammad Saqib, please complete your homework, okay? And in Mandela,
Okay, ma'am, I will.
4 people have submitted. In Mandela, I have got Ahmad Qazi, Mudabbir, Abdullah, Saqib and Munib. Only 4 people have submitted. Rest, everyone have not submitted the homework. So please complete the homework. Today I'm giving you the answer also. But still you have to complete and turn in. Okay? Mudabbir, you submit. Then Muazzam, why didn't you submit?
Ma'am, I took the photos also, then I thought I'll send it afterwards and I forgot to turn it in.
Yeah, so because every time one homework I get one homework. Huh?
Ma'am, I'll turn it in right now.
Okay, fine. Okay, so see, Mudabbir also, only Mudabbir has solved the last question. Two questions were correct. B part, there was some mistake. So I'll be doing the last question over here. Rest of you, have you seen the questions? Those who have not done the exercise, have you gone through the question also or not? Amina, Abdullah, Safia, Saklen, Anas, Farhana.
I have done, ma'am.
Anas, you have.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
my book is, the math section is going to be over.
Math notebook is going to be over. You will need many maths notebook, yeah, because maths is only about practice. Okay, the more you practice, the better you will be in maths. Okay, so don't run away from maths.
Ma'am, I have the last question left. I've done all the questions. This is the last question I was understanding.
The last question everybody has not understood, but they have submitted. Okay, number of times I have told you, even if you are not getting 2 question or 3 question, at least 1 question also you submit, na? Do something.
Message also.
First, second, third, fourth are very easy questions. Everyone can solve. Okay, so now I'm discussing the answers, but still I want the worksheet to be completed and sent back to me. Fine? Amina, is it fine? Abdullah,
Yes,
Muhammad Saqib, Farhana, Umaira, please switch on your camera, everyone. And you have to be on time in class. Okay. So last question, everyone has got problem 1, 2, and 3, 4. I think it is easy to solve. Still, I will give you the answer. Question number 1, answer is A, B, C, D, E. 4 parts are there. First answer 2.1, 2.3, 0.7, 2.8, and 1.3. Those who have done, they can check also. And those who have not done can write the answer. Second question, 4.13. 2.31, 1.21.
Ma'am, can you tell it again?
Which question? Question number 2?
No, ma'am, from starting.
Okay. Now listen, question number 1, first A part is 2.1, 2.3, B part, 0.7, 2.8, and 1.3. Second question, 4.13, 2.31, 1.21, 3.11, and 9.01. Okay. Third question is $3.65, and fourth question is, I think, $1.16. Okay. Now, fifth question, I will be doing it over here because most of you have doubt. So I'll solve it here. And
I wrote the fifth question too wrong.
fifth question, I'm doing it right now. Huh? So I'll
What
write.
is that? Eight.
It is
About
in term.
eight
Okay.
one. Above it there is one.
So I'm telling you, see, first question, I'll write the first question over here. Question is 2 divided by, it is written like this, okay? 6 point blank is there, and then 8 is there, and then small 1 is written over here, okay? Then 1 blank is there, then point, then 1, and then 1 blank. Okay. First, I will explain you what is this 1 written over here. This 1 is the remainder that comes out when you are solving it over here. So this 1 shows that there will be remainder coming over here. Here there is no remainder. So what is the answer? 2, how many times? 6 will go.
3.
3 times.
3 times.
3.14.
Okay. Now here you have 1. Okay. So यहाँ पे 0. 2 ones are 2. Okay. But I can write 2 over here because 1 should be the remainder. So I have to write 3 over here. So that means 3 will come over here. So 2 ones are 2 if you write. you will get a remainder 1. So that is why this 1 is written over here. This shows that there will be remainder in this step. Okay. So 1, if you write down 1 over here, so you will get in the blank, what will I write? What will I write in the blank? Amina, what will I write in the
Ma'am,
blank?
9.
9. Okay. So this is the answer. Is it clear, Anas, Yahya? Is it clear how we have to solve? Okay.
No, ma'am.
But the small one is actually the remainder in the previous step. Okay. So this,
How 3 came?
because if you write 2, because 1 is there, na? So that means 2 ones are 2 you have to write. And 1 should be remainder. So that means here you should have 3.
Okay, I understand.
Is it clear? Now next question, see, I'm doing the next question, then you will understand. B part, this is A part. This is A part. Now B part, the question is 3 divided by blank. First is blank. 0.9, then you have a 1 remainder and a blank. Okay. Then you have 2 point, a blank, and then you have 5. Now you tell me. Here you should have 1 remainder. That means whatever I write, 3 twos are, I have to write 6 only. Okay. 3 twos are, because 3 is given, 2 is given. That means 3 twos are 6 to aega. But what number should be written here so that I get a remainder 1? Humera, what should I write?
7.
Yes. So I should write in the blank 7, because 1, they have told 1 is the remainder. So 1 is the remainder over here. Now I will bring 9 over here. Okay. Now Yahya, what should be there in the blank? What I should write in this blank? 19 is
3 6 are 18. And again remainder 1.
3 6 are 18. And you have a remainder 1. Okay. So now then what will come over here? Because
5.
Is it clear? Mudabbir, just check, is your answer correct? B part?
No, ma'am.
So I saw there was some mistake in B part, so just check it.
Ma'am, I turned in the assignments.
Okay, fine. But check now also, okay? Muazzam, the answer which we are doing over here, please check it with, tally the answer from this slide. Okay, so A and B done. Then now C part. Can you do C part, everyone, on your own? Just everyone complete the C part and give me the answer. In your note.
Ma'am, can you tell the question?
Ma'am, can you tell the question?
Okay, I'm writing the question over here, okay? Writing the question. This is a blank. This is 35.3. Carry over is 5. Mudabbir and Muazzam, don't tell the answer because you have done it already. So you will not tell the answer. Blank. And here you have 5 point blank and 9. Okay, this 5 is the remainder. Okay, now tell me. You should have something over here, 5s are something which will give a 5 remainder. Okay, so solve it. Everyone complete the
7.
Okay, I'm not giving.
7.
I'm not telling you what is the answer. You have to give me the complete answer. Don't be in a hurry to solve. So those who have completed all the blanks will give me the answer. I will just say yes or no.
Ma'am, I didn't understand that, ma'am. What will happen with the 3 above 5 is there, no?
5 is a remainder. 5 is the small 5 is the remainder which is coming after subtracting this step. Okay, that means here you have to write something 5 less than 35. I gave you hint also.
Ma'am, 30.3.
No, 30.3 nahi. I have, you tell me the answer in the blank portions. Okay. So first,
Ma'am, can I tell the first
blank.
The first blank?
Who is telling?
Farhana.
Yes, Farhana. First blank. What is the answer?
Ma'am, it will be 6.
Okay, yes, 6 is correct. In the first blank, there will be 6. So I'm writing 6. I got the first blank, okay? Okay, second blank is this. So 6 5s are 30. So you get a remainder as 5. And this 3 will come down. Now what comes in the second blank? I
Ma'am,
want
8.
right, huh?
8.
Mera?
Seven za, nahi.
8. 8.
Second blank is 8. What is 6 8s are? Abdullah, what is
48.
Yes. Anas, what is 53 minus 48?
5.
Yes. So what will come in
5.
what will come in the last blank?
4.
Four.
I can hear if you say once also. Huh? So 6 9s are 54.
Ma'am, first blank.
Didn't tell us to B1.
5.8.
Yes. So is it clear? How do we do this question? Everyone?
I didn't tell us to B1.
B1, what happened? B? I did B1 just now. I'm erasing it. It is fine, everyone?
Ma'am, you did, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I also done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I did the first time, but it was wrong, so I did it again. Okay, the C one.
Okay. So it's clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Abdullah, have you joined? Abdullah Saqib, have you joined now?
Shruti ma'am, can you show it again?
Which?
Yes, ma'am.
The first question.
I have erased Safia. It is not there now. Now you do
I
it.
didn't copy the whole question.
Safia, you do it on your own. Question is there in the book. You can do it on your own. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, can you tell
In B, there is 2 divide 3 2s are 6. So beside the blank there is point, and beside the point there is 9, and the remainder 1.
Yes. So
Ma'am,
first,
homework on which page number?
right, 3 2s are 6. If there is 7 in the dividend, then only you will get a remainder 1. Na? So that is understood. Is it
Ma'am, homework is in which page number?
page number 41? This was your previous homework, okay? 3.7. Okay, now this waiting room is enabled. Safia, you can tell Ahmed to join in. What is it? Safia, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
You can tell Ahmed to join in because waiting room is enabled. Huh?
Yeah. Abu.
It is enabled. He can join because I didn't get.
Ma'am.
Okay, fine.
I asked my father to invite.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now we'll start with our topic.
3 minus 48.
Ma'am, how many questions are there?
There
Ma'am, 5 is the remainder here, right?
in the exercise 3.7, 5 questions were there.
Ma'am, 5 is the remainder down now. 53 minus 48.
Question you
5
know.
is the remainder.
Which question? For C part.
Yeah.
First term it was 5. First division it was 5 in the remainder. Okay.
Then, after second,
I don't remember it, Safi. I will have to do it again. Okay. So now do
But I
it.
didn't solve it.
That is, see, anyhow, that is a homework. So you have to do it at home. Okay, this is a riddle. Everyone read the riddle and give me the answer. What is the answer for this riddle?
Ma'am, can you read the first point, ma'am? It's not clear.
My number contains 4 digits
Contains.
total. Okay. My
But
number
Ma'am,
that
I
is-
can't understand what is this.
contains. My number contains 4 digits total.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The digit in the ones place is what you get when you multiply by 0. Okay. You know what is ones place. Okay. Writes, if you don't understand, it is fine because you have not attended the initial sections. It is fine if you know already, you can solve it. Okay. The digit in the ones place is what you get when you multiply by 0. Okay. The product when you multiply by 0. The digit in the hundreds, THS. Okay. Hundreds place is the largest single digit number. The digit in the thousands place is 3 less than the hundreds place. Okay, the digit, whatever is in the hundreds place, 3 less than that number will be in the thousands place. And the value in the 10th place is 2 into 2.
Huh?
Ma'am, 213.
I'm not there.
496.
0 point, it is a decimal number, and 10th place, 100th place is after decimal. So you have
0.496. 0.496.
yes, 0.496. Is there a problem?
0.496. Put that slide again.
Yeah, coming back.
Ma'am, how 496? The last one was 2 into 2 is 4, ma'am.
Yes, 2 into 2 is 4. So answer is
The
0.
10th place is
The
2
10th
into
place
2.
is
Ma'am, can you put that slide again?
See how you will do this question. I'll tell you how to do this. Question will be done like this. You have 4 digits. So you have to write 4 digits like this. Okay. My number contains 4 digits in total. The digit in the ones place is what you get when you multiply by 0. So this is my ones place. So I will, and here is a decimal because they have 10th, 100th and 1000th place also. So yeah, this will be 0. The digit in the 100th place is largest digit number. So 100th place is this. So it will be
9.
okay. The digit in the 1000 place is 3 less than the 100th place. So what is 3 less than 100? 9 minus 3.
6.
6.
So this is thousandths place. And the value in the 10th place is 2 into 2. So what is that? 4. So answer
496.
0.496.
yes. So that will be your answer. Okay. Okay. So today we are going to do simplification with decimals. So when many decimal number with so many operations are given, so how do we simplify it? How do we simplify? You know, how do we simplify? Pedmas rule or Bodmas rule, whatever you can use. What is, do you know this thing? Because we do this in
Ma'am,
number.
we know Bodmas, not Pedmas.
Bodmas and Pedmas is same. Pedmas is for parenthesis, Bodmas is for bracket.
Yes.
Somewhere people say Pedmas because parenthesis, they say instead of bracket, they say parenthesis. So Pedmas. Otherwise, Bodmas when we say brackets. Okay. So parenthesis and bracket is same thing. You know, 3 types of brackets are there. Do you know 3 types of bracket? This one
Ah, I
is,
know
Ma'am,
bit
can I
pass,
show?
ma'am.
yes, yeah. Did you ask something?
Ma'am, I know the 3 types of brackets.
See, this is the square bracket. This is the parenthesis bracket or middle bracket. And this is the small bracket. Okay. So first number, we need to solve this bracket. Then second number, we need to solve this bracket. And third number, we need to solve this bracket.
So what is this table?
Huh? Yeah, Anas?
What is this table?
What is this table? I'm telling you, I'm explaining. So when so many operations are together, you need to solve the bracket first. After bracket, you will solve the exponent. Do you know what is exponent? When I write 3 raised to 2, this is exponent. So what is 3 raised to 2? 3 raised to 2 is 3 into 3. if I write 4 raised to 3, this is exponent, okay? So we need to solve the exponent after the brackets. And what is exponent? Whatever is the power, you have to multiply that many times. So 4 raised to 3 is 4 into 4 into 4.
It's 12.
Yeah?
No.
It is cube. It is cube. Square is when we write 2, when the power is 2. So 4 into 4 into 4, so 4 cube. 3 into 3. So whatever is the power is there, you don't have to do this.
32.
You
32
don't have
answer.
to multiply 4 into 3. You have to do 4 into 4 into 4. You have to multiply it 3
4
times.
for the 16 and 16 for the 17.
Yeah. 4 for the 16 and 16 for the 64 will be the answer. If you are writing 2 as answer, this is wrong. Okay? Till now, many elder children also do the same mistake. When it is written 3 raised to 6, it doesn't mean it is not equal to 18. It is equal to 3 into how many times I will multiply 3? I will multiply 3
Six
6
times.
times.
Ma'am, we have to write the method.
Yes, when we are doing, you have to write the method initially. Always write the steps, because then otherwise mistakes happen if so many operations are there. Okay, so learn the sequence. First we'll solve the bracket, then we'll solve the exponent, or one more rule is there, BODMAS. You can say the BODMAS rule also. Then we solve the off.
No, it should be,
Yes?
ma'am.
Yeah, Abdullah?
And first there is BODMAS, then there is PEMDAS, no?
Both are same only. Yes, Abdullah, are you asking
Ma'am,
something?
can I follow the rule of BODMAS?
Yes, you can follow BODMAS, you can follow PEDMAS. Any rule you can follow. Both are same rule only.
Ma'am,
Abdullah, are you asking something?
yes, I was asking division should be before multiplication, right?
Yes. Division.
What will be there for
So that is why, what is the rule? You see, here I am writing. First you will solve bracket, then exponent, then off. Off is, you know, we write as 2 of 3. So off means multiplication only. Okay. So whenever off is written, it is multiply. So BO, then we will solve division, then we will
Then
solve
the multiplication, addition, subtraction.
and then subtraction. So this is the sequence we have to follow. Okay.
I know BIDMAS, ma'am.
Any way you can say. What
Ma'am, there is 2 times multiplication in that.
No, this is not multiplication. This is off. But actually off is multiplication. So wherever off will be written, we'll do some question, then you will understand. Okay. Let us do
B
some.
is for bracket, O is for off, D is for division, M is for multiplication, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction.
Yes. So same thing we are going to do in, see, for
Ma'am,
example,
which is an easy rule, BODMAS or PEDMAS?
both rules are same. Both the rules are same. So it is same.
But
only.
the spelling is alag.
But it is the way of speaking that you, when you say that BODMAS or PEDMAS, whatever you can say. Okay. So see, if suppose this question is there, this is a simple question, you just have addition and subtraction. So what you will do, you will add and subtract. So for making it easier, what do we do? Plus sign and plus sign. So we will add these two together, 5.8 and 1.4. So I will add it together. And negative is also addition. So you will add these two and put a negative sign. Okay, you know that? You know this?
Yes, ma'am.
-2 and -3.
Yes, ma'am.
Both minus, so 2 and 3 you will add and put a sign negative. Okay. So
Ma'am, we put a bigger number sign, right?
you put a bigger number sign. So यहाँ पे तो both the numbers का sign है. So you remember that you are putting.
Ma'am, in 5.8 there is minus sign and 2.7.
5.8 there is plus sign. No sign means it is plus sign. Okay. And 1.4 is also plus sign. So 5.8 and 1.4 will be 7.2. And when two negatives are there, listen right children, because you have not done integers. So you understand that when two negatives are there, you will add the number and put a negative sign. Okay, is it clear?
So, ma'am, you have written 4.3, so you didn't put the negative sign.
Next step, we'll put a negative sign. We just added it over here. I have to add these two and then I will put a negative sign. Okay, so the next step is I'll put a negative sign.
Ma'am, how 2.7 plus 1.6?
It's 4.3. See, now we have put, say this is plus sign and this will be a negative sign. So when we are doing it like this, so actually if it is,
Ma'am, the answer should be minus 4.3.
it is actually negative, it is actually negative. So you will have a negative answer, okay? So,
How, ma'am? How?
because see the question, they have minus 2.7 and minus 1.6.
So, ma'am, they have plus 5.8 also, 5.8 and plus 1.4 also.
So you have a plus sign, okay? Just listen to me, the right children, listen to me. There is a rule in integers. When two negatives are, I'm writing it over here. When there are two negative numbers, you will add them and put a negative sign. When there is one negative and one positive number, you will subtract and put the sign of a greater number. So 3 minus 2, what is it? 1. And sign of greater number is 1. If I write plus 2 and minus 3, again I will subtract, but I will
Minus 1.
minus 1. If I have 2 plus 3, both the numbers are plus, you will add and put a positive sign. So what you have to remember, when the majority sign is same, you will add and put the majority sign. When you have unlike sign, you will subtract and put the greater number sign. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have already done, so I'm explaining this to you. Okay, so same thing we did. Two negatives we will add and put the negative sign, and then in the end these two numbers are left. So 7.2 minus 4.3, and 7.2 is greater, so you will get the positive answer. Okay, so this is how we solve it. Now let us do some questions.
Ma'am, in the question the number will given, na? Number.
Numbers will be given, signs will be given, you have to interpret. Okay, see, first question is 4.5. Now I am doing it. Those who can do on their own Mandela, please do it on your own and give me the answer. I am doing it for right so that they understand it. Okay, and you know, I have told you, you have plus, minus and division. So what first step I will do? Anas, you tell me. BODMAS, according to
Right.
BODMAS, B is O is not there. So what I will do first here?
Can I say?
Yeah, you tell me. You don't have
Plus the 4.5 and 3.7 because they are both
but
positive.
addition is second last. Division is also there. Division should, what is the sequence? You remember the sequence?
And 4.5 divided by 1.2.
Right. First, what will I do? First step.
Ma'am, we will divide 3.6 and 1.2.
Yes. So BODMAS rule is, here bracket is not there, off is not there. So I'll start from division. So first step is division. So how will I write? I will write rest of the step as it is. 4.5 plus 3.7 minus 3.6 divided by 1.2. You know how to divide it? What will we do, Abdullah?
Ma'am, you will multiply by 10.
Ma'am, we will multiply the denominator to
And
make
numerator by 10.
1 10, so we will
360
multiply
and
it with
120.
10, so we will multiply the numerator with also 10.
Okay, so what do we get over here? What do we get over here? 36 upon 12. Can we do it in the lowest form, Muhammad Saqib?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
12 ke
12 is a 36.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
12 3s are 36. So you have simpler answer now. 4.5 plus 3.7 minus 3. Now what you will do? 2 addition and then 1 subtraction. What is the answer? 4.5 plus 3.
5.2, ma'am.
Last answer is 5.2. But add 4.5 and 3.7, or you can subtract also. It is easy.
8.2 is the answer, ma'am. After adding both.
After adding, how much you get?
8.2.
8.2 minus 3. So your answer will
5.2.
5.2.
5.2. Is it clear, everyone? How do we solve this question?
Yes, ma'am. Can you give one more question?
So many questions are there.
Ma'am,
You
I
did not
did
understand?
I plus 4.5. I did 4.5 plus 3.7, so I got the answer 7.2.
8.2 na? 7 plus
7.
see how do we add
Ma'am,
8 na? Carry jayega na? Carry will
Yeah.
go, Abdullah.
Ma'am, but 7 plus 5 is 13.
Add.
then.
See how do we add in decimal? Decimal ke niche decimal you have to write. 7 plus 5 is how much? 12.
12.
So carry 1 will go over here. 4,
4 plus 3.
8. So 8.2. Like this you will add. Okay? Checked, Abdullah? Abdullah Patel, did you check?
Yes.
Answer?
Ma'am, I didn't understand it. Divide one.
Now next question. See, how will we do? We have two brackets over here. Okay, Muhammad Muhammadi is not there in the class today. Muhammad Muhammadi, switch on your camera. What will you do here? First step, what will you do? And
Ma'am,
Monday.
wait, how will
It
we
is
get
bracket.
the answer,
Bracket. So
ma'am?
we will do first
Last-
bracket.
Ma'am, last question answer, how will we get, ma'am?
5.2. I solved it here now, just now, Abdullah.
8.2.
8.2 I solved it. 8.2
But ma'am, we divided 3.6 by 1.2. So
was 3. It was minus 3 over here. Minus was there, na? Did you see how I did it here on slide? Okay, see the next question now. Okay, Muhammad Muhammadi, tell me, what will I solve first here?
Ma'am, 1 minus 0.8 because that is the smallest bracket.
Yeah, who is answering?
Ma'am, Munib.
Where is Muhammad Muhammadi? I'm asking Muhammad Muhammadi. Your camera is also off. Yeah. See, 3 brackets are there. This is the smallest bracket. Yes, Munib, you are correct. We'll solve the smallest bracket first and then we'll solve the middle bracket.
0.2.
Yes, correct. So rest of the steps you will write as it is. Otherwise, Abdullah, just pay attention now, okay? So you will see now how I am doing. Rest of the steps, Muhammad Saqib, please solve it in the notebook. If you know, if you don't know, you can look at the slide how I am doing. So rest of the question we'll write as it is. And first we will solve 1 by 5. If you solve this bracket, 1 minus 0.8 is 0.2. How do we solve subtraction? I'm doing it over here. 1.0 and 0.8. You have to subtract. So you will take a borrow from here. It becomes 10 and this becomes 0. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Here it is 0. So you got 0.2. So I did it here. Okay, I did it here. So 0.2. Now next step, Muhammad Muhammadi, Muhammad Saqib, you tell me. Next step, what will I do in the next step?
1 upon 5 plus 0.2.
Yes, can you convert 1 by 5 into decimal? Amina Aga, can you convert?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me. 1 by 5, how will you convert?
Into 2 upon 2.
Okay, then
Ma'am, 1.5 into 2 upon 2. It will be 2
5.
upon 10. 0.2.
Yes, correct. So it will be 2 by 10. So it is 0.2. Okay. So next step, I will be solving 3 divided by 16 plus 1.2 into 1 by 4 minus 0.2 plus 0.2. Okay. 0.2 plus 0.2. Now what is 0.2 plus 0.2? It is 0.4.
4.
Yes. Next step is 16. Rest of the steps you will write as it is. Otherwise,
Ma'am, didn't understood.
just see what I am doing. Anas, just first see what I am doing. I have to go step by step. I will explain it once again. Observe what I did. First, I solved this
Ma'am, how did small bracket come, ma'am?
middle bracket. You can write middle because only one bracket is there. So you can write middle bracket also or small bracket also. Okay? Okay?
But we opened the bracket in this step only, that 1.5 plus 2.0, then you open the bracket there only, no?
But middle bracket is there. Middle bracket is there. You have to solve the middle bracket next. Is it clear, Munir?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your middle bracket. Okay, so if you want, you can write middle bracket. So I can remove middle bracket from here because now it is only one digit, so I can remove it.
And you cut out the 4 also.
Ma'am, I want to keep it, so I can keep it, ma'am.
You want to keep, you can keep it. Now what I will do? Now tell me. Now I have division, multiplication.
3 divided by 16.
Multiply because it's
Divided by 6.
3 divided by 16 first.
You have to divide 3 by 16. Now do the decimal division. 3 divide 3 by 16 everyone and give me the answer. I am not dividing it. This will be 1 by 2 divided by 4. This is also a division. And minus 0.4. So I have to divide 2 times. 3 को 16 से and 1.2 को 4 से. Who is going to
Ma'am,
divide?
5.3 bar. 5.3 bar.
Let me divide what I am giving. Look, those who are
5.3 bar.
this is
Ma'am,
my
1 is multiplied by 1 upon 4, no?
so if you multiply 1.2 into 1, it is 1.2 and niche denominator में 4. So you can write like this. Numerator multiply by numerator and denominator as it is. This way fraction and fraction multiplication, you know, numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. We can do like
Ma'am, is it 5.3 bar?
I am solving it now. Okay. How 5.3? You will put a decimal first because 0 comes over here. Is it clear, Muhammad Saqib? When we divide 3 by 16. Everyone.
Ma'am, I did 3 divided by 16. I did 16 divided by 3.
No, you have to divide 3 by 16. So it will be decimal first. Okay. So ones are. Everyone solve it. We did decimal division in the last class. How much? 30 minus 16. How much?
14.
14.
140. 16 how many times?
Ma'am, I understood the first one, up one. I didn't understood this bracket one.
Okay, okay. Let me solve it. I'm explaining it. Okay, let me complete it once.
Ma'am, why did you put 0 there?
Here,
Yeah.
because 14 will not go now, and decimal division, Safia, we know we have to
Yeah.
put a 0 every time when we want a next digit, decimal digit. So at least 2 or 3 digit we want. Okay. Who has divided 3 by 16?
28. 128.
Point what
After
you
that?
are getting?
128.
We check it.
0.18.
It will go by 8. What is 16 eights are?
128.
What do you get after subtraction? So 120. Then it will go 7 times. So your answer over here is equal to sign you have to write. Just note down the question and then you can understand at home also how we did. Next class also will be going to do this. So 0.187 plus. Can you divide 1.2 divided by 4? How much is it? Here is my rough work. 1.2 divided by...
Ma'am.
It's 1.3, ma'am.
Ma'am, how can you do 0.187? Then 120. Then what we have to do?
816 said, no, you don't need to continue this. You don't want remainder. I didn't continue over here. I just wrote the quotient. Okay.
Ma'am, it's 0.3.
Yes, it is 0.3. See, 0.3. 4 3s are 12. So here is the rough work I am doing. Rough work. These are all rough work. So 0.3 and minus 0.4. Can you solve this? Add these two and
And
subtract.
then it will become 0.200. Like it will be 0.2 only, ma'am.
0.3 plus 1. You are getting
2.
0.487.
0.087, ma'am.
Minus 0.4. So your answer will be
0.0875.
0.08.
0.087, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, those who have not understood, Anas, now pay attention how. See, this was our question. This is our question. Division, addition, multiplication, negative brackets. Okay. Now tell me, Anas, what is the first step? BODMAS mein, what is B? What is B in BODMAS? BODMAS is the sequence which we follow in.
Ma'am, I want to ask you one thing. See, we divided.
Anas,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
what is B in BODMAS?
B
Yes.
plus.
What is B? B for bracket. Yes, Abdullah, what did you ask? You were not paying attention, Anas. B say bracket, O say off, D say division, M say multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So we are using BODMAS rule. Yes, Abdullah Patel, what was your question? This is the rule which we are using. So please remember this rule. First step is you need to solve the brackets. Then you will solve all.
Ma'am, answer is 0.087.
Yes, this is the correct answer. Okay, Abdullah Patel, tell me what was your question?
ma'am, my question is, how did you get 1.2
By
1.2 by 4? Yes, ma'am.
see, in fraction multiplication, when you would be doing multiplication, na, so 2 by 3, if I multiply into 5 by suppose 7, okay? So it means that you have to multiply the numerators and you have to multiply the denominators. So you will get the answer 10 upon 21. Okay, so same thing I did over here. Here it is 1.2, denominator is 1. So 1.2 into 1 divided by 4. Is it clear, Abdullah?
No.
No?
No.
Just a minute. Is this clear when you are multiplying in
Ma'am, so 1.2 upon 1, so that two ones will get cut.
So, and you can cancel also.
Yeah.
The numerator and the denominator you can cancel. So you can directly cancel 0.3. Is it clear, Abdullah? So what we do, multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. What is the numerator? Here, nothing is there in the denominator. That means it is 1. So 1.2 into 1 and 4 into 1 in the denominator. So that is why you get 1.2 divided by 4. Is it clear? Anas, are you paying attention?
Yes, ma'am.
Understand? Did you understand the simplification? Only see, if you are not understanding, that means you are not paying attention. I'm telling you have to solve from bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So
And
first,
I want to ask you something.
yes, Yaya.
Ma'am, in the question it is written 1.2 multiplied by 1 by 4.
Correct.
So, why did you divide it?
If you don't understand, if you don't understand what you do 1 by 4 ka decimal. Convert it 1 by 4 into decimal. Can you do that? And then multiply. Can you do that, Abdullah?
It is 4.
No, 1 by 4 ka decimal.
0.4.
No, wrong.
0.25, ma'am.
Yes. You want me to do? See, I told you the easier method, but if you're not understanding, go for the longer method. 1 divided by 4. What is it? 0.0. 4 2s are 8.
Ma'am, I understood the first step.
2. Next step is similar only. Sorry, I'm writing 0 over here. 4, 0. 5 will come in the numerator, okay? Is it clear, Yahya?
Ma'am, but in BODMAS rule, first divide comes, so first you multiplied, ma'am.
I didn't multiply first.
1.2 you multiplied by 1.2 you multiplied by 1.4 first now before you divided.
I'm telling you. See, when multiplication and division is there, na, you can do multiplication and division together at the same time, starting from the left. You can do addition and subtraction also at the same time. See here in the first question, what did we do? We did addition and subtraction together. Did we do that together now? You can do that together. Is it clear? You can do the negative part and positive together. You can solve division and multiplication together. And if you don't want, you can do it in the next step also. If you are getting confused, then you can do this in next step. I did it in the next step. I divided, then I divided again. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the first step, we will do 1.0 plus 1.0 minus 0.8.
Yes, correct. You got 0.2.
Yes.
And then
In the second,
1.5, you converted it into decimal.
yes.
So 0.2 plus 0.2 is 0.4. We have a negative sign. Okay. Then you solve this. You don't want to solve this. You solve this first. You solve this. Then you solve this, because all are addition, subtraction. It is fine. If you change the sequence also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. One question I'm giving you.
Ma'am, we do the last question now, ma'am. Last question, you know.
These are two questions.
Ma'am, so how, ma'am, 1.4, how can it be 4 whole?
Okay, I'm showing you over here. Yes, yeah. Tell me, what is your question? 1.4. 1.4, you are telling 1/4. Yes. 1/4 into decimal. You are asking. What are you asking, Yaya? Yes. Where is Yaya?
Ma'am, in the question it is given 3 divided by 16 plus 1.2 multiplied by 1/4. So how can 1/4 be means 4?
What was it?
And then 1 divided by 4.
2 into 1/4. You're talking this thing.
Yes.
So you
Yes.
That is what I'm telling you. In fraction, you can multiply the numerators and denominators. So first you divide. When you divided, you got 0.187. Then you multiply 1.2 upon 4. Is it clear? After this step, first you divide. Then you multiply, then you have something over here with a plus or 0.4, I think it was there, no? So now you do, this was plus. Now what will you do? This is again division, okay? This is what? This is division. Fraction means division, numerator divided by denominator. So again you will divide. So 0.187 plus 0.3 minus 0.4. So what is the answer now? 0.
Ma'am, it is 3 divided by 16. Ma'am, it is 3 divided by 16. No, ma'am.
Yes. So answer is 0.187 when you divide it. So 0.487 minus 0.
No, ma'am, when you it is first you will do 16. So first you will do 5. So 3 5s are 15.
No. It is like,
And then
in the denominator is divisor. So it is like this. You will put a decimal. All of you have forgotten decimal division. And that is why you are facing problem. See, when you are learning new topic, you have to revise. When whatever is in the denominator, from that you have to divide. So you have to put a 0 and a decimal over here. So 16, 1 the 16 will go over here like this. Then you get a 14 remainder. And then you will put a 0 on your own. Then it goes by 8. And it comes out to be 128. What is the remainder? 10 minus 8, 2, 4, 3 minus 2, 1. Then we'll put the 120. Sevens are how many times it will go? I don't want it to continue because I just want 3 decimal. So I'll just put 3 decimal over here. Is it clear, Abdullah? Abdullah Patel, is it clear?
yes, ma'am. So in the next line after that we will write 0.187 plus
When
1.2.
this, because again it is a division. So 1.2 divided by 4, it is 0.3. Sorry, it is not 0.3 only. Minus 0.4. Is it clear?
Ma'am, but why do we have to divide 1.2?
Because see, denominator 3 by 16 को क्यों divide किया था Abdullah? Why did you divide 3 by 16? Because this is 3 divided by 16. Fraction.
Because there was a sign of,
Even if sign is not there,
ma'am, because there was divide sign.
divide sign नहीं होता है. So if you have this, suppose 0.1 divided by 0.3 होता था. So what was your first step I told you to do? To write it in the fraction form. Did I tell you like that? Did I tell you to do like this? You remember or not? Then we multiply by. The same thing I did over here. यहाँ पे divided sign था तो I made it in the fraction form. यहाँ पे fraction form है तो I am dividing it. It is clear that division या fraction एक ही बात है. Is it clear, Abdullah?
Yes.
So that you have to remember. Okay, next class we'll do some questions. Then you will understand. Still two exercises are left, so we'll do it. It's okay if you don't understand. This is a little complex question, so that is why you are facing difficulty. I think Mandela's, is it clear to you all? Because rights it is fine.
Yes.
Ma'am,
उनके लिए, but
ma'am, can you revise how can we make fraction to decimal?
yes, we'll do that. Okay. Actually, we'll do that in your right
Ma'am,
class.
how did you do 4 divided by 1.2?
1.2 divided by 4. This one I'll show you over here. Mandela, those who have completed can leave the class. 1.2 divided by 4. You know a decimal sign is there. 1 will not go. So I have to put a decimal. Okay. And then now I have a 12. So 4 3s are 12. Decimal division we have done in class. Remainder is 0. So 0.3.
Ma'am, because I don't know how to convert, so that's why I am confusing.
That is fine, yeah. We'll be doing it in the right class. So don't worry, okay? If you are not understanding right now, it's fine. We'll be doing decimals in the right class also, normal right class. So you will understand again, okay? Fine?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay, so I'm stopping it now. Okay, so bye everyone and do practice. It is fine if you don't understand.
Bye, ma'am.
Revise it in the next.
Bye, ma'am. Is there any assignment?
No assignment, just revision.
Okay. Bye.